guys, welcome back. This is Indu, and in today's video we're going to talk about the new Hydrafit Color Correctors from Simply Nam. But before we get into that, let's quickly talk about why color correcting is actually so helpful. It's a great way to cancel out uneven skin tone before applying concealer so your base doesn't end up looking gray or ashy, and it also helps you use less product later. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Alright, so there are 3 shades in the range. The first one we have here is Apricot, then we have the shade Peach, and lastly we have Brick. I'm going to use a mix of Apricot and Peach because I have different skin concerns on different areas on my face. I'm using the shade Peach around my mouth and also some on my dark spots. This will help to neutralize all the pigmentation and unevenness. Then I'm going in with the shade Apricot under my eyes to brighten and lift up that area, and it will also cancel out any blue or purple tones under the eyes. Okay, let's blend it out. I prefer using my fingers for this step. I just tap the product in instead of rubbing it, and you don't need a lot because it's super pigmented and a little goes a long way. I'm blending it out in real time so you can see how beautifully it just melts into the skin. This texture just blends seamlessly into the skin and gives a smooth airbrushed kind of finish. As you can see, by the time I'm talking to you, it's already blended. Okay, so this is how we are looking after blending it out. Just give it few seconds to settle down and then you can layer your concealer on top if needed. I'll just quickly finish off my makeup and be right back. And here's the final look after completing my full base. Now look at this. On this side, I have the corrector and the concealer, and on this side, I just have the concealer. And you can clearly see how much more even this side looks. It has completely neutralized my pigmentation without making it look gray or ashy, and I love the fact that it's looking so skin-like. Whereas on this side, it's still looking kinda dull and the pigmentation is still peeking through. Now, what I really like about the product, the formula is lightweight but effective. It doesn't crease or cake or settle into the fine lines. I have really deep set under eyes and I do have like a lot of under eye like fine lines, and it has not creased at all. And it's infused with skincare ingredients like marula oil, rosehip oil, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So it will hydrate and treat the skin while correcting it. Also, just a few tips: use a small amount of the product because these are pigmented and you really don't need a lot of the product. While you're blending it out, just tap the product in, do not rub, and also use this before any base products. So that's how I use the Hydrafit Color Correctors from Simply Nam and why they have become a staple in my base routine. If you have been struggling with uneven skin tone, pigmentation or discoloration, then this might be the product your routine is missing. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.